Hello everyone, I'm going to make handi keema today. Let's get started. Ingredients are 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 small piece of ginger, 20 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon poppy seed, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoon roasted chana, 20 cloves, 20 pieces of whole black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Grind all the dry spices into fine powder. Blend onion, ginger, and garlic into fine paste. Add ginger, garlic, and onion paste and dry spices powder in keema. Mix well and marinate for 1 hour. Heat half cup of oil and add 4 tablespoons of sliced onion and fry till golden brown. And turn golden brown, add marinated keema and stir for 2 minutes on high heat. After stirring for 2 minutes, put the lid on and cook keema on medium-low heat till oil separates. When oil separates, turn off the heat and stir well. When oil separates, add smoked charcoal in the pot. Drizzle some oil on top of charcoal and cover the lid to put on steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the charcoal and dish out the keema. Delicious handi keema is ready to serve.